Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. CrossOver is hiring for Operation Analyst Trilogy role. Job location is work from home, that is remote location. Let us get to know about this job. CrossOver is the world's #1 source of full-time remote jobs. Our clients offer top-tier pay for top-tier talent. We are recruiting this role for our client, Trilogy. Have you got what it takes? Are you looking for an early career role that will give you the skills and exposure to move into any specialty later? We are looking for focused individuals who recognize patterns and have high attention to detail. You will start with supporting our edtech startup with data entry and analysis. The daily task is to gather students' learning app data and analyze the patterns if they are distracted, stuck, or gaming the app. More exciting projects will follow in the future. As a part of your growth, you will receive regular coaching and training from a team of global tech experts and operations professionals. Jumpstart your career with us today. What you will be doing? Gather data from learning apps, analyze data and recognize simple patterns. What you won't be doing? Meaningless data entry, long projects without feedback. Now let's check the basic requirements. Ability to pay close attention to detail. Ability to follow instructions. Available to work either 16 to 0 UTC, this means 9:30 PM to 5:30 AM according to Indian time, or 20 to 4 UTC shift. This means 1:30 AM to 9:30 AM according to the Indian time, Monday till Friday. So this is a night shift job. So make sure you are comfortable with that if you are applying for this job. Now, as CrossOver is hiring for their client Trilogy, so let's get to know about Trilogy. Hundreds of software businesses run on the Trilogy business platform. For 3 decades, Trilogy has been known for 3 things: relentlessly seeking top talent, innovating new technology, and incubating new businesses. Our technological innovation is spearheaded by a passion for simple customer-facing designs. Our incubation of new business ranges from entirely new moonshot ideas, re-architecting existing projects for today's modern cloud-based stack. Trilogy is a place where you can surround it with great people, be proud of doing great work, and grow your career by leaps and bounds. There is so much to cover for this exciting role, and space here is limited. Hit the apply button if you found this interesting and want to learn more. We look forward to meeting you. So after applying this application, what to expect? You will receive an email with a link to start your self-paced online job application. Our hiring platform will guide you through a series of online screening assessments to check for basic job fit, job-related skills, and finally a few real-world job-specific assignments. So here they have something mentioned important. If you do not receive an email from us, then first emails may take up to 15 minutes to send, refresh and check again. Second, check your spam and junk folders for an email from crossover.com. Mark as not spam since you will receive other emails as well. Third, we will send to whatever email account you indicated on the apply form. By default, that is the email address you use as your LinkedIn username, and it might be different than the one you have already checked. If all else fails, just reset your password by visiting this website. If you already applied using LinkedIn Easy Apply. If you are eligible for this job role, you can apply by clicking on this Easy Apply button. After that, you have to fill the application form and submit this application. You can find the link in the description and apply for this job role. All the best, and if video helpful लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, share it with your friends, and for more latest job updates चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. Thanks for watching this video.